This is actually more people than it usually has, if I'm being completely honest, but you can just see how much of the mall is just shuttered and closed. I mean, barely any of these retail spaces are open except for these two anchors here, JCPenney and Ross. Look at this, oh, it's crazy. I really don't know how this mall is still open at all, but it is. But here's what we're here to see, obviously, is the professional building. And, of course, the old Otis elevators in it. Happy to report that, of course, these are still original. I mean, I'd be pretty surprised if these got modded at this point. Let's take them on a ride. Oh, it's just going. Here's the creepy basement. Alright then. Just leave me down here. Might as well. I guess we get the other one now. Up to 9. Now I believe these always stop at the lobby each time. Yeah, they still do that. I think that's just a setting that's programmed into these, just because it's like anticipating that there's always going to be people waiting in the lobby. Can we turn the fan off? Nope. Smiley face with braces. Stop on one again. Oh, maybe that's just on the way up. I guess these just have a timer. And these are Otis UAL. I'm pretty sure. Oh yeah, these are UAL. These are definitely UAL. I'll actually go to 2 this time. This has the circular buttons on this floor. Back in this one. Let's get an impact cam. Look at that. It actually overleveled and it fixed itself. That's interesting. Guess we'll get the impact cam all the way to 9. You can kind of see out the doors a little. So this is definitely UAL because it has like the stepped acceleration and deceleration. This time it overshot the slightest bit, but it didn't seem to relevel and fix itself. Let's get a shot of it on the way down. Hold on, I want to get a complete shot here. Watch the leveling. And then I also sent it down to another floor, a couple floors below this. Get the bell again. And that door's blocked. Here's what these floors look like. They are just as dated as the elevators in the rest of the mall. Yeah, really creepy. And look, they got this old pole station. I think it's an Autoco. No, it's a Demco. And that is broken. Common theme in this property. And the bathroom is broken too. Yeah, this place is very... We'll get a quick look. That's a funky handle. Quick look at the stairs. The old fluorescent light fixture up there. There's another up there on that landing. All right, let's get back on the elevators. And they got a mail chute. Oh, they actually still have fire bells. You don't see those too often in Illinois. So much for a working bell. This floor's a little different. There goes that elevator. Looks like there's another cabinet down here. I'm not sure what that's for. Before we end the video, we'll just listen to the old Otis bell one more time. Very nice. Anyway, that's gonna be it.